Z Fold 7 is all here. Samsung did a wonderful job with the Z Fold 7. By the way, if you are forgetting Z Fold 7, you can reserve Z Fold 7 now and get $50 Samsung credit and up to $1,150 in savings. Link is in the description to reserve your next Galaxy Foldable. Samsung was keeping Z Fold 7 from leaks, but every day we started getting the actual leaks for the Z Fold 7. Even the first ever hands-on video is out. The unboxing was out before, which I'll share in the second part of this video, but on Amazon, we got a listing of a Z Fold 7 protector, and you can watch the full video by yourself from Amazon. These guys were offering the screen protector for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Now what I've seen and what most people would get it, there's a raised bezels here. And if I'm not wrong, this is actually the dummy unit of a Z Fold 7, just to test out the screen protectors for the Z Fold 7. We already have such type of videos from Sinza who shared the complete look of a Z Fold 7 dummy. Another major takeaway from this video is actually the camera bump, which is black. But on a real phone, there's a silver lining around the camera lens of a Z Fold 7. The phone looks much wider compared to the Z Fold 6, and yes, it is bigger in size. The thickness is also confirmed when folded, and this thing actually looks promising. This video is basically testing out the screen protector for Galaxy Z Fold 7, nothing more with a dummy unit. By the way, if you are forgetting Z Fold 7, you can reserve Z Fold 7 now and get $50 Samsung credit and up to $1,150 in savings. Link is in the description to reserve your next Galaxy Foldable. The official release date and the pre-order dates are out for the Z Fold 7. Samsung will starting out the pre-orders the same day as the launch day on 9th of July, and the phone will launch in the market on 25th of July. Also, Galaxy Z Fold 7 battery was rated from European Union and things are looking promising. According to them, Z Fold 7 can get up to 40 hours and 28 minutes on a single charge. Now, how they tested the battery out we don't know because Samsung will be using the same battery as Z Fold 6. 4400 mAh battery on the Z Fold 7 and same charging speed 25 watt. Even if Samsung manages to give us a 1 day of a battery life, it is more than enough for a foldable phone. Now let's see the unboxing stuff of a Galaxy Z Fold 7. Samsung is going to launch Galaxy Z Fold 7 on 9th July 2025. Pre-reservation is already started, but we just got the unboxing picture of a Galaxy Z Fold 7, and believe me, everything looks promising. This Twitter guy shared 3 pictures of Galaxy Z Fold 7 fast while unboxing the Galaxy Z Fold 7, and the phone looks really good in this blue color. Also, one thing is confirmed, the camera rings are much better looking compared to the Z Fold 6. Also, if you pay close attention, Fold 7 camera rings looks more like a Z Fold 5 than a Z Fold 6. And yes, these camera lenses are quite thick compared to the phone itself because of the bigger sensor, and the actual phone is quite thin. The second picture shows the inner display. Obviously, he didn't take out the paper on top, but overall, this phone looks really big. This is the Z Fold 6, and this looks smaller compared to the Z Fold 7, but this thing looks really big, which means every previous leak about the bigger display is now confirmed for the Z Fold 7. Another major change we can see is the thickness of a phone, which was shared in this picture. This thing is seriously thin. Even if Samsung make it a little bit rounded from the corners, it would look even more thinner. But this boxier design is really good for holding the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Now there is a recent launch of other foldable phones which is even thinner but ever so slightly. So Z Fold 7 is among the thinnest foldable phone, matching the second thinnest foldable spot. On this note, if you're still here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Until then, peace out.